mixing up some nano-fat and PRP. What this means is we're doing this for skin rejuvenation, for hair transplants, and then right now we're doing it for some scarring from a prior facelift. And it tends to improve the skin quality in ways that you wouldn't imagine would be possible within a couple of weeks. What I've done is, on the last session, we actually withdrew the fat. We froze it as whole fat. And now what I've done is I've mixed it back in with fresh PRP. So I've taken PRP, platelet-rich plasma. This much is drawn from 60 milliliters, so you get a 10% yield on it. And we've mixed it with nano-fat, and I'm mixing it back and forth with a tulip system. And what I do next is I get a fresh, unused syringe and a filter, and now I'm going to put it through a filter which gets out all the little fibrous connections inside the fat. So you can see it goes right through there and it comes out filtered on the other side. The benefit of filtering is that now you can easily squeeze it through you can squeeze it through a 25 gauge needle pretty easily. So I'm just getting every last bit out of there through the filter. And then what we're gonna do is microneedle this manually, meaning by hand, into the skin, followed by actual microneedling. So we have 3 milliliters, we're gonna use that. This time we've saved a bunch, so every time we're gonna use 3 milliliters and we're gonna inject the scars until they become natural, normal, healthy looking skin. It helps make the skin look a lot more supple. And nobody really understands why it works because you're exploding all the fat cells and everything that's in it. But I'll tell you for sure, this has way stronger effect than PRP alone. So we're gonna start this stuff now.